Let's talk about the latest launched Samsung smartphone Galaxy M15 5G. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with Super AMOLED display, with 6.5 inches Full HD plus waterdrop notch display. Resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, approximately 84.3% screen-to-body ratio, 19.5:9 aspect ratio, approximately 396 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, 800 nits brightness, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera with aperture 1.8, along with 5 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2, and with 2 megapixel macro camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 13 megapixel front camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of One UI 6. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 6 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB of micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.1 by 76.8 by 9.3 millimeters, and it weighs around 217 grams, and the color options light blue, dark blue, gray colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5 headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy M15 5G has been expected priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 47,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 49,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 53,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 57,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy M15 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.